What's up guys, it's Phil, and it's time for another update. So this go around I'm going to try and shorten things up and do just a project video. Like I said in my last update, so if you guys have been watching, which I'm sure nobody has, that's what I said I was going to be doing going forward. I did kind of catch myself in a weird spot because I'm finishing up one project from the last update and starting another project now. So before I get started today, I do have this bunk bed to go finish up. I actually just did a lot of the work, so I'm going to continue kind of putting that thing together and getting it ready to go. And then the other project, which is an office built in, I'm going to start today. So that's pretty exciting. I'm going to get all that stuff done and show you guys how I'm doing that. In the meantime, I've got a small bench that I'm repainting for my house, and that's it. So that's all that's going to be in these projects. Hopefully it'll keep this thing shorter and a little bit more interesting, but that's where I'm at right now. So if you saw where I got started in the last update, this bunk bed is really cool. It's a dual level bunk bed with a like full-size mattress on the bottom and a twin-size mattress on the top. It's got stairs leading up to it. It's got shelving built into it, and the whole thing is actually built into the wall. So it's a built-in bunk bed unit, and it's really cool. So it's pretty sleek. It's pretty awesome. I'm excited about it. So that thing is mostly done. Just got to get it painted this week, and then it'll be good to go. Now the office I'm starting is about 12 feet long. It's got some, a couple different areas in it as far as like storage stuff goes, and a bunch of stuff on the bottom, some file cabinets, and some drawers and things. So just basic stuff, but it's going to be pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that today. So I'm going to change and get going. and doors and drawers. Well, doors, drawer faces, and drawer bodies are all done. So today was a pretty long day. I actually had a like 24-hour bug that my daughter brought back to the house, and everyone in my entire house was knocked out for like 24 hours straight. So that was super, super fun. But today, which was supposed to be yesterday, I went ahead and got all this stuff done, but because I was a day behind, I took the morning to go and check on my current client, get my painter started on there. So that's where all this stuff is going once I get it finished up. And then I actually went and finished up those bunk beds. So check this thing out. This turned out awesome. I'm super, super proud of this project, so I'm going to be blowing it up on Instagram and all that kind of stuff. I may actually make it into like a little compilation video just to share on Facebook, because it spanned the last 2 updates, and I think I'd rather have a shorter, version of it. But anyway, all that to say, that thing looks awesome. I'm super proud of it. I'm ready to get this one finished up and get paid, and then I'll just be done with these. But with all that being said, it is the end of the day. I really can't start on anything else because there's not much else that I can do. I have to wait for all this stuff to dry before I can sand it and paint it, and I've got like 30 minutes until I'm kind of done for the day. So I'm gonna go to the store and buy myself a soda pop because I've been a good boy and I've earned it. And other than that, I think I'm done. So catch up with you tomorrow. And just like that, I am done. So this was not too bad of a 1.5 week process. I was able to get that bunk bed finished up and it turned out amazing. And today I actually just finished up that office built-in, so I'm waiting for the client to call me back and let me know that everything's good. And then that one's all finished up. So I am done. It's Friday and I've got some pizza cooking, so I'm about to get inside and get my nom on and then have a good weekend. But before I go, I want to say thanks for watching, guys. If you want to support the channel, please click on some of those Amazon links, because right now that's all I'm really doing to try and actually promote this thing and make any money off of it so that I can get better equipment and make better content for you guys. Definitely check out some of my other playlists. I've got some DIYs that are on their way, just like this one. I got some DIYs that are on their way, and of course I've got these updates that I'm going to continue doing whether people watch them or not. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.